Now, hello everyone, welcome in unboxing January 2020. I got a box. Before I start, this is a monthly subscription, affiliate link down below. The KnitCrate are giving me and you 20% off of using Kyle20 for your first box. And what else? Yes, and you can see on my head, a lovely hat, lined with the previous from December 2019 yarn in a KnitCrate box. They're also a sock crate box. And there's one more, so check it out. In regards to this classified under €22, so there's no customs for the box. Inside you have patterns and inside you have yarn. Just saying from perspective of if you live in Republic of Ireland, just saying. I had so much fun. I went for a walk and I came back and this was at the door, so it's kind of a reward for me to do my walk. Let's open it up. Ooh. I was like, what the heck? This is a tiny hat, tiny little thing. We have yarn. Now, so we have yarn, 2 skeins, and we have a magazine. This is a KnitCrate membership. So first, yarn. So I'm in the chill out vibe, in case you're asking. You can pick not only the box, but also 3 vibes that they have to choose from, and that way it kind of directs them what kind of colors you like. Although at the end of the day, you know, you go into certain vibe, but you never know what you're getting. So I got this a lovely blue. You know, I love blue, but you could see a bit of, is that a purple or kind of ink color with some grey? I'm going to open up in a sec. Proper jeans blue. I like it so much. It looks kind of that ish one is slightly different than that other one, don't you see? Let's see what it says over here. Ooh, Brooklyn Boy Knits. Knitology. This is new. Check it out. And this is a worsted, so I could knit my hat. Empire. And this is 100% superwash merino wool. We have worsted, which is 205 meters, 225 yards. So that reminds me of my hat, because this was a prototype. I cast it on this yarn on New Year's Eve and we were just watching The Witcher. And if you're more interested about that, I will leave the 2 videos over here with unboxing for unboxing for December 2019 and below, or whichever. I'm going to leave you at the end, finish up the video in regards to my new pattern. So this will go with it definitely. So yeah, if you don't know what to do, you can go there, check it out, or you can always pick this up and see what they can offer. Okay, so we have information about 2 boxes over here. One is sock crate and another one is membership crate. We have about Brooklyn Boy Knits over here information, so I'm going to read it. I'm not going to spoil you anything, so well, that's that. And then we have 3 available colors in, like I said, in the vibes. So you can see you have a chill out, you have, is that nature, and this is energize me. So nice. For the socks, energize me, natural, and then chill out. And then we have patterns, and we have a cowl, that's a knit pattern, socks, that's a knit pattern, and we have 2 crochet patterns. So this month we have 4 patterns, 2 knitting patterns over here on the screen, check that out, and crochet patterns. So obviously I'll not be able to knit socks with my yarn, but the cowls, something to think of. I'm not really a cowl person per se, you know, but I like to knit hats, although I'm trying to go outside of my comfort zone and see if I can knit some stuff more. You know I can knit shawls and sweaters and so on, but so now I have 2 worsted, and my plan is to knit with a yarn every month. So I'm still not sure about the patterns over here, and It is quite variegated a little bit. It will be, so if you are thinking what I'm thinking that this yarn is, let's face it, slightly different. One skein is different than the other. You see, this is this really beautiful hat, don't you think? And then another one is this, slightly lighter, and it's completely different. So maybe the name is slightly different too. I'm going to check it out in a sec. Completely different dyeing technique. So this one, the lighter one, let's go that way. This is a Royal Court. So yes, I'm getting two different colors. This is Royal Court and this is Empire. So two different ones, but they both worsted and they both the same yardage. So probably the idea is to mix them and they will give some nice effect. That's something you normally get the same two, and now there are two different ones. So yes, so this is how it looks. Still don't know, don't have an idea, but let's leave them over here and that way they will call me. So definitely I'm going to use one of those this month. So stay tuned. I really like the blue color. I think it suits me, so we shall see how it goes. And I will be very interested to see how it knits up. So definitely I'm going to go down below and click on a hashtag KnitCrate or go to the Ravelry group and see what the other knitters are up to. So stay tuned. Bye. Check the links down below and till the next one. Bye.